During a visit to Chirinya village, Minister Musa Ecweru announced UNRA's compensation plan for residents facing eviction due to the road's construction.
We are going to compensate uniformly. If you have, the assumption is that we are staying in one place, and we will take care of that and make sure that we give you the resources that will enable you to go to a radius of 25 kilometers from the place where you have been.
He reassured them that the compensation money, based on land size, is secured in the upcoming budget.
The thinking is, why do we spend all this money for people who are encroachers? But the government, actually the president said, no, let us make them move in dignity. That is what has guided the whole decision. It's huge. If you look at it, it looks ridiculously expensive to pay all the people who are in Kasokoso. But it is something that government has accepted to undertake, and we must salute the president for that.
He emphasized government's commitment to payment upon receiving landowner documents.
We have taken a decision, but we can't just start splashing money before we clean the records. We must clean the records so that we know that the people who are getting the money are the actual people who are supposed to get the money.
However, some residents remain skeptical about the unclear timeline for disbursement. Chira Municipality MP Sam Uganda and Mayor Julius Mutebi encouraged patience and active program monitoring. The compensation program will affect 5 villages of Chito B, Chito A, Chiganda, Kasokoso and Banda. What remains is the payment schedule. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.